Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew Mendoza with my degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology, and I'm graduate from the University of Netherlands, and I'm 81 years old. I'm impressed by your company committing to training and advanced technology. Your work on the launch of your cloud based on cybersecurity aligns with my career goals, and I'm excited about that. The chance to contribute my skills is relevant to your team. My strength, I am fast learner and I know to manage my time. My weakness is sometimes I overcommit to project because I want to become helpful to address this. I've been improving my time management skills and learning to assess my workload more realistically to ensure I can meet all deadlines effectively. I can bring my skills and experience that match your needs, particularly in this field. My background includes my achievements which will help achieve goals of company. Question hardly. I offer my excellent customer service skills and proven ability to resolve issues quickly and effectively, demonstrated by achieving a 95% customer satisfaction ratings, making me great fit and enhancing your customer support operations. That's all. Thank you.